Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Minecraft and loading the world or staying in the main menu. This ensures immediate access to options. Next, you check whether you run vanilla or modded blocks, because mods can override brightness. Once done, open Options Video Settings so you can change gamma, brightness, and shader settings. Make sure to disable full-screen shaders temporarily to see base brightness, and keep resource packs closed until you test changes so results are predictable. You should move the brightness slider to the maximum if the world looks too dark. This is the quickest fix. If that isn't enough, edit the options. TXD gamma value or install a lightweight resource pack that adjusts lighting for finer control. Also, toggle shaders off and on. Some shaders dim lighting by design, so adjust shader settings or choose a brighter preset. Once done, test at different render distances and in caves to confirm that brightness behaves consistently across environments. You finish by applying advanced fixes. Update your GPU drivers and set color or gamma overrides in your GPU control panel so the game isn't constrained by system settings. If you use Optifine, enable its dynamic lighting and adjust its gamma. Optifine often gives the most precise control. Finally, if problems persist, reset options. TXD, remove conflicting resource packs or shaders, and restart Minecraft. Troubleshooting tip: if brightness changes only in one world, copy the level. DAT and test in a fresh world to isolate corruption.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.